All right, so now we are in the module for post-processing the results. The analysis has been completed. We have loaded the .odb file, as you can see here. The .cae is the input file. The .odb is the output database file. And I'm looking at the model. It's staring right at me. And a few things about this visualization module. This is where you start post-processing your analysis results. There's a lot here that you could potentially do. You could control your view. You could control your view options, and you can make changes to where you are standing relative to the model. You can change your viewport. You can change your viewport options and so on. That means you can change what's written here. You can also edit your annotations and so on. So there's a lot that you can do. But right now we're looking at the input file, the finite element model that we developed. And these keys on the left-hand side are the ones that you can use for post-processing the results. Now, you can also post-process using the results from here. For example, you're asking the result for step 1, which is what you're looking at. And you can look at different kinds of things. You can look at field outputs. For example, you can look at as you can see, there are several field outputs here. We selected a lot of output from this analysis, so it's given us everything, and we'll look at that in a moment. Now, perhaps some of the most important aspects of this is that this key has 3 different options. You've got primary outputs, deformed outputs, and then you've got symbol outputs. And here you've got all the different outputs that are possible for the primary. So you can have all kinds of things shown. For example, S stands for stresses and so on. And this is the type of the output that you want. So first what we'll do is we'll plot the displaced shape. And that's what the displaced shape looks like. If I wanted to plot both the undeformed and the deformed shape, then I would use this icon which says allow multiple plot states. So I'll click that, and then I'll plot both the undeformed and